What is up? So today we are going to be doing an easy Vietnamese lemongrass pork recipe. You can use this for a dish known as mung, which is a cold noodle dish with some chopped up vegetables, and it's really fresh and refreshing, and I'll be doing a video in the future about that. But today we're going to marinate some pork chops. So let's go. First off, we are going to mince our garlic, so just cut it off. Alright, garlic does not have to be super fine, they just have to be roughly chopped because we are going to mortar and pestle it into a paste with the lemongrass. So if you have one, just put it in here, but if you don't, you can basically just use a mixer, blender, and just blend it up. I prefer this method better. Now we got our shallot. We're just going to do slices and alright, now let's mortar and pestle it. Once it looks kind of like a paste, sorta, we are going to add in our lemongrass. We're just going to cut it around 4 inches right here, because the top part is too tough to use. Okay, now let's throw our lemongrass into our mortar and pestle. Okay, once it's roughly chopped, put it in a container like this. Alright, now to finish out off our marinade, we're going to use some brown sugar. Just do a 1/4 cup of that. And then we're going to do a 1/4 cup of fish sauce to cancel out the saltiness of the fish sauce. Okay. Give this a quick stir. Alright, now get your pork chops, and then we are going to marinate them. Okay, I got my pork chops here. We're not going to do this whole pack because that's not enough sauce, but we are going to do 3 slices of pork chop because that's enough. So these are with bone, so what we're going to do is just score them a little bit. Just do a line, right? Make like squares so the flavor can enter more easily into the meat. Alright, we have our mixture here. Now we're just gonna coat it nicely. Press it down. Okay, 6 hours. Our charcoal. So it's very simple to do this. I don't know why a bunch of people freak out about it, but just get some paper that you don't need, put it underneath. So today I'm gonna be using this Matchlight charcoal. It's very easy, simple, and I definitely recommend it if you have a hassle starting your grill up. Okay, halfway full, that's fine. Alright, as you can see, it's about halfway. Now let's just light up the paper underneath. Alright, now let's let the charcoal basically heat up now, and yeah. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes. It's ready to be poured out now. So let's just pour it out. get yourself a cut potato like so, and we're just gonna let this heat up for around 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're gonna rub it with this potato to clean up any excess stuff on top and basically make it really clean. So I'll be back. Alright, so now let's rub it with our potato. Just rub it. I cut a slit in it so it can fit into like the little like notches, which is a pretty good idea to do. Alright, here we go. Look how beautifully this is marinated. You can see there is lemongrass around it, and it's just very nice. So let's remove this cover so it doesn't get burned first, and then let's slap it right on, and then raise the fire. You don't want it too close or else it's gonna burn. If you're gonna eat this all in one day, go ahead and cook it all. Make sure you get some of the juices on it so it doesn't stick. Now we're gonna close the grill cover and let it just basically cook in the heat for around 5 minutes on each side. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. Now let's give it a flip. And I'm just gonna leave the pair of tongs here, and then let's close this up for another, I would say, 5 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, this is about done. Let's put it on the highest setting, grill effect ever. And I'm gonna go get a knife right now, and we're gonna see if it's done. Oh yeah, this is done. Look, the meat just pulled out. It's done. Let's give it a taste test again. Yeah, that hits the spot. Alright, let's plate this up and then let's give it a review now, I guess. Alright. Okay. This definitely tastes like the one from the Vietnamese restaurants, okay? Like, it's so juicy and you get the charred taste. Like, if you pan fry this, you're not gonna get it. So guess what? Open up the grill. Open up! Because if you just pan fry it, it's gonna be greasier. So you're using oil. So tender. Oh. Yeah. Oh. I'm back. This is actually pretty good. Like, I don't know if the dish, I think the dish is called mung, right? It's a cold noodle dish with sliced grilled pork. This is exactly it, but the pork is just thinner. So amazing. Please drop a like and follow and subscribe. Like, this is an easy recipe. 4 ingredients. Actually 5, including protein. I said 5 ingredients: lemongrass, sugar, fish sauce, garlic, and shallot. That's it. It's so simple, and you don't have to figure out, oh yeah, what did the restaurant put in? Because guess what? It's literally this. Juicy. Well, that was it. Please be sure to subscribe and drop a like. Bye bye.